Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a new way to create a system restore point using PowerShell. Yes, that's right. And in order to do that, please open PowerShell as an administrator. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting PowerShell Admin from the context menu. Type the following command in PowerShell and hit enter to the list available restore points. It'll show you what are the restore points which are available right now. To create a new restore point, type the following command and press enter. On the description part, it has to be under the double quotes with a brief description of the name that you want to give to the restore point, such as before installing software, like that. Wait for the restore point to be created. This may take a few minutes, and once it is created, type in the same command that we used first so that you can see the new restore point it's created. That's it. It's pretty easy and you have successfully created a restore point using PowerShell. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning in to Always Tech Buddy. We hope this video has been helpful in resolving your technical issue. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button and hit the notification icon so that you will never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep on teching.